Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by cutting power and pulling the dryer away, safety first. Once done, remove the vent hood on the back of the dryer and inspect the existing duct through the wall so you know its condition. Measure the distance and the wall thickness, because you will need the right length duct and an exterior hood replacement. Make sure to have dryer duct foil tape, a worm gear clamp, and a backdraft damper on hand. These parts prevent leaks and lint buildup. You now focus on the middle work. Remove the old duct and clear out lint with a vacuum or brush so airflow improves. If the duct is damaged, replace it with rigid or semi-rigid metal. These reduce lint traps and keep efficiency high. Slide the duct onto the dryer outlet and the wall pipe, then wrap joints with foil tape and tighten a worm gear clamp at each connection. Make sure bends are gentle. Tight S-bends reduce flow and increase drying time, so straighten where possible. You finish by reconnecting the dryer and running a short test cycle to confirm hot air and lint flow out the exterior hood. Watch the outside vent flap and feel airflow. Once verified, secure the exterior hood with screws and apply exterior-grade caulk around the perimeter to keep moisture and pests out. If flow is weak, inspect for crushed duct, residual lint, or a stuck backdraft damper. That is the key troubleshooting tip. Clear or replace the component and retest until airflow is.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.